Minnesota Democrats with limited power resist Trump's immigration push. President Trump's second term has seen a dramatic surge of federal immigration agents into the Democratic-leaning state of Minnesota, sparking a fierce political battle. After promising to tighten legal migration and increase deportations, the administration now has over 2,000 ICE officers on the ground, a number that continues to rise. The recent fatal shooting of Renee Macklin Good by an ICE agent and a separate incident where an agent wounded a man in the leg have become rallying points for state leaders who view the federal presence as an overreach. Attorney General Keith Ellison bluntly called Trump's threat to invoke the Insurrection Act baseless, while Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey labelled the federal deployment unsustainable and likened the situation to two governments fighting each other. Congressional Democrats attempted to exercise their oversight authority by visiting an ICE detention center outside the city. Representatives Angie Craig, Kelly Morrison, and Ilhan Omar were granted only a brief 10-minute tour before being escorted out, describing cramped conditions, young detainees with their heads in their hands, and a complete lack of beds. Their experience underscores a recent court decision affirming Congress's right to unannounced inspections of ICE facilities, a right the administration has tried to sidestep by demanding advance notice. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem has warned that the Insurrection Act remains a presidential tool and urged Minnesota officials to cooperate, while Governor Tim Walz, who recently withdrew from a third-term campaign, continues to press for a reduction in federal enforcement, emphasizing the need to protect democracy. Vice President J.D. Vance dismissed Walz's concerns, calling the governor a joke. As the 2026 midterm elections approach, Democrats hope to regain a legislative majority that could check Trump's agenda. Senator Amy Klobuchar hinted at a possible gubernatorial run, stressing that congressional oversight is essential to curb unchecked executive power. Meanwhile, Ellison, alongside Minneapolis and St. Paul, has filed a lawsuit seeking to halt ICE operations in the state. The legal and political clash over immigration enforcement in Minnesota remains unresolved, reflecting a broader national struggle between federal authority and state resistance.